All right, I am making chocolate frosting for my cakes. Now I am making a double batch because I have 2 cakes that I need to frost. Now, I don't have any butter or margarine. Well, I'm almost out. So I'm gonna use shortening. Okay. And you can melt it if you want. I'm not gonna waste time melting it. Then my salt, this recipe is in the description below. There's my salt. And my vanilla right here. Okay, and I got my milk. I was using up my stockpile milk. Now, I have this cocoa, which really doesn't taste that great, and this cocoa, which is okay. No, this is the good cocoa. This is the cocoa. But I'm gonna mix the two because I need to get this cocoa used up, okay? So, half a cup. That, there we go. And there we go. And then my powdered sugar, and we're just gonna mix all of this. I just realized I did a 1/4 cup of milk instead of a half to double the recipe, so I'm adding extra water because I already have my milk powder in here. All right, I'm gonna make more because I don't think that's gonna be enough. And if there's extra, I will just use it later. All right, now what I'm doing is I'm just adding powdered sugar until I get the consistency that I want. And it's still a little runny. All right, there's my frosting. Let's test it. That is delicious. I make a darn tootin' good frosting, even if I do say so myself. All right, let's let our cakes get done and then we'll put it on our cakes. Okay, this is our yellow cakes, all done. All right, I'm gonna frost them both. And I made too much frosting, but that's okay. We'll just save it and use it for later. All right, this one is for my family. So I will have Mike test this one here. All right. Now, okay, we're gonna cut this one for the fam. Thumbnail! Very good. Oh my, I never knew you were a thumbnail model. Okay, try the yellow cake. What do you think?
Very good.
Is your wife a good cookbook author?
Yes. Oh, this is really good.
Yay! Hello, I am Tara from Living on a Dime, the author of the Diane on a Dime cookbook, and today I am making a buttercream frosting on page 241. The recipe is in the description below. It's on our website, and you can also get our book on our website. Let's get started. So first, you're going to take your butter and you're going to whip it up with your mixer. Get it nice and fluffy. You're going to pour in your powdered sugar. You're going to put in your vanilla, then your milk, then beat again. Then you're going to add a little bit more milk to get the desired consistency you want in your frosting. I'm going for a thick frosting today. Because I'm piping my frosting, I want it pretty thick. Perfect vanilla cream frosting. You can get the recipe in the description below, and you can also buy our Dining on a Dime cookbook on our website at livingonadime.com.